Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm out here in Cocoa Beach with my brother. This is his place, this way he lives. A little rainy and cloudy this morning, but we're gonna check it out, see what we can get. Hoping they got some snook or something right around this tree right there. Caught a few little small trout last night, but y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up and we'll see what happens.
Just record and then whatever works.
Yeah.
Or if it's a dud,
then I scrap it. Yeah. Gonna be throwing this Miradine, this X-Wrap right here.
Unintentionally. Take the bait and run.
Got one. I think I snagged them.
Huge snook.
A needlefish.
That's actually good for bait.
Is it? I let go of my shirt. Check it out. I'm gonna let him go. I like all the palm trees.
Going to neighborhoods, they got coconut. Piling up underneath them.
You could take them?
Yeah.
See if they got anything hiding around these mangroves. I think that's a mangrove. But look at that. It's a horseshoe crab shell. Check it out.
Oh yeah. There's usually hundreds of them. That's a small one too.
It's under a rock.
Oh cool, there you go. Yeah, you can always clean them up.
Alright everybody, I'm out here in Port Canaveral. I got my brother and my mom. Where's she at? There she is. It's extremely windy. Look how rough. My hat almost blew off my head. I hope y'all can hear me with this wind. But look, we got a cruise ship coming in.
Oh yeah, it is coming in.
Anthem of the Seas. There we go. What we got? We got a fish. Puffer.
It is.
Yep.
You got the
Caught a puffer fish.
You got the thing?
Yeah, they in the check them out. Mm-hmm.
Oh damn, he's trying, huh?
Look at that boat over there, he's stuck.
Look at him pushing.
It's a little shallow.
He's trying.
Alright everybody, we out here on the beach in Cocoa Beach. It's a little choppy. I don't know if that's normal or I know the water's cold. Woo, that water's freezing. My brother's out there surfing. He brought an extra board. I might try it.
You gonna try it?
I might.
It's easier than it looks.
What is it? A manatee. Come back up. He just came up for a breath. He's right there. You can't see him because he's under the... He's about to go by that boat. Let me go this way. Go this way. Where is that? I don't know where it went. Oh, he's right here. Look at him. Come up.
I'm sorry, boo-boo.
He's pissed. Look at his eyes. He's pretty.
Turn him on his roly-poly belly.
Jeez, he's puffed
Does
up.
it do that? Yeah, you caught a fish.
It's a blowfish.
Alright, are we? Watch out, watch out, watch out.